The notion that vaccines are part of a plot by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating among some extremist groups. According to this theory, vaccines are laced with harmful substances that are designed to control people's minds, turn them away from Christianity, and ultimately lead to a one-world government controlled by Satanists. Proponents of this theory claim that the New World Order, alleged secret society of powerful individuals, is working to create a global government that would abolish national sovereignty, religions, and individual freedoms. They believe that vaccines are a key tool in this plot, as they would allegedly contain microchips or other tracking devices that would allow the New World Order to monitor and control people's thoughts and actions. Some also claim that vaccines contain aborted fetal cells, which would be a violation of Christian values. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Vaccines are extensively tested and regulated by reputable health organizations, such as the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, to ensure their safety and efficacy. The ingredients used in vaccines are publicly available and have been thoroughly researched. The idea that vaccines contain microchips or other tracking devices is simply not supported by the evidence. Moreover, the notion that the New World Order is promoting vaccines as a means to control people's minds is a classic example of a conspiracy theory. It relies on unverifiable claims and substantiated sources, and a complete lack of evidence. The New World Order, as a concept, is not supported by any credible evidence and is widely regarded as a baseless conspiracy theory. It is also worth noting that many of the claims made by proponents of this theory are based on a misunderstanding of how vaccines work and the science behind them. Vaccines are designed to stimulate the immune system to produce antibodies that can fight against specific diseases. They do not contain any mind-controlling substances or tracking devices. The idea that vaccines can turn people away from Christianity or lead to a one-world government is simply unfounded. The spread of misinformation and disinformation about vaccines has serious consequences, particularly for public health. When people refuse to vaccinate themselves or their children, it can lead to outbreaks of preventable diseases, which can have devastating consequences, especially for vulnerable populations such as the elderly, young children, and people with weakened immune systems. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are part of a plot by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory that has no scientific evidence to support it. Vaccines are a crucial tool in preventing the spread of diseases and protecting public health. Rather than promoting misinformation and conspiracy theories, we should be working to promote accurate information and education about vaccines and the science behind them. By doing so, we can help to build trust in vaccines and ensure that people have access to the information they need to make informed decisions about their health. It is only by working together and promoting evidence-based information that we can protect public health and prevent the spread of misinformation. It is imperative that we rely on credible sources of information and consult with healthcare professionals before making any decisions about our health. We must also be aware of the potential consequences of spreading misinformation and disinformation, particularly when it comes to public health. By being responsible and informed, we can help to create a safer and healthier community for everyone.